In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Figma with ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a great setup if you want to make your design workflow faster, get AI help with creative ideas, or work with Figma content more efficiently inside ChatGPT. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. All right, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're inside, look at the left side of the screen and click on More in the left middle area. This opens up additional tools and options that are available in ChatGPT. Next, click on Apps. This takes you to the Apps section where you can browse available connections and integrations. From here, you'll want to find Figma in the app list. Click on Figma to open the integration page. On this page, you'll see the option to connect Figma with ChatGPT. Go ahead and click Connect. This is the step that begins the linking process between the two platforms. Now, ChatGPT may ask you whether you want to sign in to your Figma account. If you want to connect your account, choose the Sign In option and follow the prompts. But if you prefer not to link your account right now, you can continue without account access instead. That option is useful if you just want to test the integration first. If you choose to continue without an account, simply click Continue Without Account. ChatGPT will then proceed with the connection process based on that choice. And that's it. You've now connected Figma with ChatGPT, or at least reached the point where you can use the integration without signing in. From here, you can explore how the workflow fits into your design and productivity process. If you found this helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.